Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening your Renpy project and locating game slash screens, RPY, or creating a new GUI slash main menu. RPY file. You need to import Renpy and reference existing screen definitions. This ensures compatibility. Once done, declare a new screen block named main menu and set this order if necessary. You should add a default style or use existing styles so buttons and background align. Make sure to save and keep a backup copy so you can revert if the first compile fails. This prevents lost work. You now populate the screen, add a background, then create a vertical or grid container for buttons so layout scales. Use text button or image map for start, load, preferences, and quit. Attach actions like jump start, show menu, load, show menu, preferences, and quit. Once placed, refine spacing anchors and hover/focus visuals to improve usability. Make sure to test each action in the launcher. If a button fails, check the action name and indentation first because Renpy treats white space as structural. You finish by wiring the screen into the game. Set config. Main menu screen or call the screen from script before labels start, then run the project to verify behavior. Once done, walk through start, load, preferences, and quit paths, checking transitions and focus. If something breaks, open the developer console, watch the traceback, and inspect the log. Most issues come from wrong screen names, misindented blocks, or misspelled actions. Make the minimal fix, reload, and repeat until everything responds correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.